Hi everyone, this is Gliza made with Glee. In today's video, I am participating in the Make Something New for Summer 2019 challenge hosted by HostedbyKrssie. Krissy wanted us to use any item or items that we had, but we had to keep it at a budget of $10. I decided to use a tablecloth that I had from 2018 that I didn't like how it fit my table, so this year I cut it up and made quite a few new items for summer of 2019. So I'm going to share with you all the different things that I made out of that tablecloth. Now this is the last bits of scrap that I have left over from all the other projects, and with these last bits of scrap I decided to make some fridge door handle covers because my stainless fridge always has fingerprints, and especially on the handles. So after I cleaned them today with some Wymans, I decided to put my new fridge handle covers on there, and these are really simple. What I did was I cut 4 pieces of fabric identical size. I also cut a piece of batting the same size, and I layered it with right sides together. I sewed it all around, leaving a slight opening. I was then able to turn it inside out, sew it all around so it's all secure, and ironed it flat, of course. And then I took Velcro that I had in my stash. It was quite wide, a little bit too wide for this project, so what I did was I took the Velcro and I cut it down the center to make it into skinnier strips, and I sewed it on to both sides of my door handle covers, and then I was able to wrap them around my fridge door handles just like that. So I loved how this turned out, and it adds to my lemon decor that I still currently have for the summer of 2019 going on in my kitchen. I'm not ready for fall yet, people. I'm not ready for fall. So now I'm going to share with you guys some of the other projects that I went ahead and made. I also made a set of placemats, 6 for my table, and a table runner, and I've shared with you guys, I think you've seen my table in the summer lantern video. I'll link it in a card or something so you can, if you wanted to check out the actual the lantern on the table. But those are the placemats and the table runner that I was able to make from that tablecloth. I also made a valance for my kitchen window. It could have been a little bit fuller and a little bit longer, but using just the material that I had, I didn't go out and buy anything. I just used the measurements and the fabric that I had. I was able to sew this simple rectangular valance for my kitchen window, and I have a few little pieces of decor, and that's all I have for the lemon decor. And now I'm going to leave you guys with a really simple placemat tutorial. If you have any questions on how to make placemats, let me know. If you wanted to know how I made my fridge, more details about how I made my fridge handle covers, feel free to leave me a message. Also leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite item that I made. The valance, the placemats and the table runner, or the fridge handle door covers, or maybe all of them, because I do love all of them. I'm happy that I was able to get so many items out of one tablecloth, and I do hope that you consider looking into your linen closet and seeing what you may have that's no longer in use, maybe has a stain, and that you can repurpose and either make tablecloths or pillow covers or whatever you wish. So look at items and see what new ideas you can come up with. Have fun, everyone, and thank you for watching. Thank you, HostedbyKrssie, for the Make Something New for Summer 2019 challenge. I will link Krissie's channel and the playlist of all the participants. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. See you in another video soon.